Hey there, it's Mark Yagi, and I am pumped and excited about this program called the CashFlowIQ. It's an AI-driven program, and it's the only one of its kind that helps people with covered calls. And so it's one thing to learn about covered calls, it's another thing to implement them, and having a tool that will help you implement them is amazing. So I'm really excited about it. It's called CashFlowIQ, and I can't wait to show you. But there's like 15 modules of this program, all which help you and they build upon each other to help you become a really great covered call trader. Now, if you know me, the game is about probabilities. It's not certainties, right? The only certainty is that there's no certainty in this market. And so what I built is a pretty cool program. And it's all based around AI, which helps you identify the opportunities in the market, especially with covered calls. And it helps you kind of understand what your trading plan is and how it all works together. It's not just a training course per se. We have a great training course to do it. It takes the training and amplifies it. So can't wait to show it to you. So here we go. The first thing we do is we log into our program. Obviously, it's a paid program. And you go into this and the first thing that comes up is my favorite thing, right? And that is a game. It's called TradeIQ. It basically teaches you how to recognize patterns, because if you can recognize patterns on charts specifically, you can become a higher probability, more successful trader. And then it also overlays covered calls on top of that. So you can learn how to do covered calls without risking a ton of your own money, without risking any of your own money, really. So without further ado, let me show it to you. So you come up on this screen here. It says, can you run the cash flow machine? Now, if you don't know how to trade or how to do stuff, it gives you a tutorial here and a mock trade. So you can click and go through those. I'm not going to go through those. I'm going to actually use the program so you can see how exciting it is. Basically, you start with $100,000 in virtual cash, and then you're going to trade a real historical stock chart. Okay, and then you can look at dailies or weeklies. Let me just go right into it. I could read this, you could read this, but I want to just show you how cool this thing is. And the more you play it, the better you get at reading stock charts, and the better you get at understanding patterns. Okay, so let's start the challenge. Now, what happens here is you have the daily and the weekly. This is a blank chart. We're going to hit go in a second, but it's a mystery stock, so we're not allowed to cheat. The only information we have is that the stock is $188. Let's move forward. There's a stock, good looking pattern. Looks like it's at its high there. And so I like that pattern. I'm going to go ahead and buy it just because I don't want to waste any time and I want to show you. So I just clicked the buy, but I'm a covered call person. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a balance point strategy since I think the stock may be going a little bit higher. So I'm going to go balance point, kind of right at the money for 5 days. How about that? And then we're going to go ahead and hit sell this call. And I'm going to advance by a day. Now, this is where we start with 100,000. So keep an eye in the upper right corner and we'll see what happens. Okay, the stock went up and then went back down. So now I'm down 500 bucks. Now I'm down 700 bucks, advancing another day. Now I'm down 388. And you can see the call has 2 days left and I've already made $892 by selling the covered call. See, I don't know if the stock's going to go up or down. I'm just trying to play the probabilities, and somebody gave me free money, so I'm going to take it by selling the call. Okay. Now we've got one more day. We've made 1,000 on the call. We're still down 752. Imagine what we'd be down if we didn't get this $1,098. And then here we go. The call expired worthless. We kept the premium of $1,135. So you can see we're now down 1958, but 1,135 of that is profit that we made on the call. So that kind of offset what we would have lost. So we're going to sell another covered call. This time, let's go ahead and go in the money using the Fortress strategy, collecting 1% in income, and hopefully it'll protect the downside a little bit. Sell the call and then move forward. Okay, moved up a little bit, not much, not much. Another day, and so now the stock really essentially is bouncing off the 50-day moving average. I'm going to go ahead and blow it up a little bit, but that gray line there is the 50-day moving average. I've got 1 day left in the call. Now I'm down 1,075, but I made $3,400 in profit in juice on the call, and you can see it got called away at 181. So I no longer have the stock, so I've got to go back in if I still want it. I'm not sure I want it, or if I want to short it. I could always short it. Now let's see. Let's see if it bounces here off the 50 or if it goes under. Now it's under the 50 on low volume, and now we're trying to get above the 50, but still on low volume. Hanging around the 50, and now it's below. I'm going to go ahead and short this stock. This will also teach you how to short. and then we're going to move forward. And look, the stock is on its way down. Certainly for a day, it helped to go short. Now moving forward a little bit. Now it's coming back up the other side. I probably should go ahead and cover my short. Yes, I definitely will. And I'm going to buy the stock. Now it's not at the right spot on the chart, but it is breaking through the 50. So there's a little bit of reason. And I'm going to go use the rocket strategy, which is an out of the money strategy. I'm going to go 2 strikes out of the money, and I'm going to sell the call. And you see the profile of what I get when I do that. Okay, let's move forward day by day. And you can see that now it's whittling away at my loss there. And you can see it's almost back up to where I started this whole thing, going up to that high. Let's see if this is the right move or if we're going to get head faked. You can see we're getting that stock bouncing off the 50-day moving average. That's pretty healthy. A nice high volume gain up toward the all-time highs. And the call expired worthless. So now I'm going to go ahead and sell a call again. I'm going to do a rocket strategy again. I'm going to go 2 strikes out of the money again and sell the call. Okay, I'll pick up $500 worth of juice, and I'm going to go ahead and move forward by a day. Whoops, it went down, and it went down on not insignificant volume. And so you can see there's a good day for us. We've made almost all of our losses back. We're only down now $17, and we made $4,700 in juice, in income. So that's pretty darn good. Keep going. Now the stock is going higher. Now on a covered call, you're capped on the upside. So I'm not making that much more money as the stock goes up, but I certainly would rather have it go up than go down when I'm long, right? And so you can see now the stock got called away at 191, and I no longer have a position, but I am up and profitable. So let's just try it one more time. The stock seems to want to, well, that's a high volume reversal there. Let's see if it takes. I don't think I'm going to do anything either way. I'm going to go ahead and buy it because I like that recovery there. I'm going to sell a covered call. I'm going to go a rocket strategy. This time I'm going to go 3 strikes out of the money. And I'm going to hit sell the call, move forward by a day. And now we're up $1,180 on it, right? And then I just keep going forward here. We got 2 days left, 1 day left, and we're up $2,000. We've made 2%. So let's say that I've done this. The stock will be 2 years long, so you get a good chance to test your chops out, challenge yourself to keep getting higher scores, and you'll start to see that there are patterns on the chart, looking at price and volume together, that start to pop out at you, and you'll make better decisions. So rather than just rushing in like I did, you'll wait for the right spot on the chart to buy, and that better decision will help you get to this spot a little bit earlier than if you just rush in. And then you can hit next stock, and that's going to give you a synopsis. Look at all the trades that we did here. I'm going to blow those up. Okay, so you can see that these are the trades that we did, and you can study that and learn what you did right. You can see there's a gap down there. Well, fortunately, we weren't in that, but you can see, or that's going to be coming up. So you can see what is going on with the stock and how your performance is with that. And that reveals that it was Amazon. So that's it. That's just a quick one. I mean, I've spent hundreds of hours on this program, and it's not going to make you a better trader, but it will probably make you a better chart pattern reader, which will make you a better trader. There's no guarantee on any of this stuff, but I can tell you, the more you practice with this, the better you're going to get. Most people just are like, they hear Kramer or somebody on TV talking about buying a stock, or CNBC talking about a stock, or they get sucked into the news. And I can tell you, it's a hard game if you don't have some tools. And this is just one of the 1450, and we're always adding new ones to the program that we are using. And it's a game. It's fun. Challenge yourself. Get better. Try to compete with yourself and continue to get better. And then you're going to become a better chart reader, a better covered call investor, and you're going to be able to do this for no money while you're having a little bit of fun and learning how to read charts. And maybe all of that together will make you eventually a better trader. If you want to learn a little bit more about the CashFlow IQ, go to cashflowmachine.net/CashFlowIQ. The link will be down below. So go in there, check it out. We got all the modules kind of highlighted, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care.